Good day everyone. My report is all about Bicol region. Let's start.
Bicol is known as the adventure city of the Philippines. It is popular among Filipinos because of its spicy food, but among tourists, it is famous for its active volcanoes. Now, let us take a look at the three most popular tourist destinations in Bicol. Mayon volcano is well known for its perfect cone shape. It offers a breathtaking view, measures 2,462 meters tall, and it is located in Albay, Bicol. Discover Calaguas group of islands, swim in its clear blue water, relax on its white sand, explore its beauty. You'll definitely find a purpose to be happy. Caramoan Island are quiet and largely unexplored areas. It is located in Camarines Sur. It is the perfect tropical destination if you are looking for pristine beaches, powdery white sands, marine life, and breathtaking rock formations. Caramoan is a perfect place for you. Caramoan has been featured in several franchises of the hit TV show Survivor of the Philippines. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy and explore the majestic place of Bicol.
The Bicol region is an attractive destination for international and domestic tourists because of the beauty of sandwalk beaches, old churches, and of course the Mayon volcano and good nature hospitality. The provinces that include in Bicol is Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, and Sorsogon. Fast fact about Bicol region. Province of Albay. Capital is Legazpi City. Land area 257,577. And the major industry is agriculture, fishing, cement production, manufacturing, and tourism. Number of cities is 3. Number of towns and municipalities is 15. Albay is known for its lush volcanic landscape, sun-kissed beaches, and spicy cuisines, and welcoming visitors with the best accommodation can offer is a trademark of Albaños. Fast facts about Camarines Norte. The capital is Daet. Land area is 232,007. Major industry is agriculture, fishing, and mining. Number of towns and municipalities is 12. Camarines Norte is known from waterfalls to pristine beaches, embarked stunning landscape, and rich cultural heritage. Fast fact about Camarines Sur. The capital is Naga City. Land area is 549,703. The major industry is agriculture, trade manufacturing, construction, and tourism. The number of cities is 2. The number of towns and municipalities is 35. Camarines Sur, known for adrenaline-pumping activities from wakeboarding to cliff jumping. Camp Sur had been given the title of Sports and Adventure Capital of the Philippines. Fast facts about Catanduanes. The capital is Verac. Land area is 149,216. Major industry is agriculture, abaca, and trade. Number of towns and municipalities is 11. Catanduanes is famous for its waves. The capital has beautiful beaches with cream-colored sand and calm glass water for swimming and beach bumming. Fast facts about Masbate. The capital is Masbate City. Land area is 415,178. The major industry is agriculture, fishing, livestock, copra, and manufacturing. The number of cities is 1. Number of towns and municipalities is 20. Masbate is known for its castle industry which produces high-quality beef and dairy products. The waters surrounding Masbate are also rich in various species of fish and other seafood which are exported to other parts of the country. Fast facts about Sorsogon. Capital is Sorsogon City. Major industry is agriculture, fishing, abaca, and copra. Number of city is 1. Number of town and municipality is 14. Sorsogon is Luzon's southernmost province, filled with nature-based adventure. It is famous for being the country's Butanding or whale shark capital, where tourists can freely swim and interact with the ocean's gentle giants. Port of access para sa transportation naman by air, ang Cebu Pacific at Philippine Airlines ay nagsiserve ng flight papunta sa Albay, Camarines Sur, Masbate, and the travel time estimated is 45 minutes. By sea, pwede rin naman gumamit ng fast craft ferries papunta ng Sorsogon, Masbate, Catanduanes, and Albay kung mas prefer nila bumiyahe by ferries. Land and also para sa mga mas prefer bumiyahe gamit ang Philippine National Railways ay pwedeng gamitin papunta sa Albay, Camarines Sur, Sorsogon, and Camarines Norte. Getting around the province of Masbate and Catanduanes ay accessible by riding a ro-ro or roll-on roll of ships. Action and activities. Albay, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Akasagwa Ruins, Daraga Church, Albay Cathedral, Joroan Church, Japanese Tunnel, and Spanish Galilean Well. Natural attraction, Mayon Volcano, Lignon Hill Nature Park, Calabinongan Caves, Hayop-Hayopan Caves, Vera Falls, Lake Danau, and Putsan Beach. Build attraction, Roca Bularte, Cagraray Eco Park. Action and activities. Albay, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Akasagwa Ruins, Daraga Church, Albay Cathedral, Joroan Church, Japanese Tunnel, and Spanish Galilean Well. Natural attraction, Mayon Volcano, Lignon Hill Nature Park, Calabinongan Caves, Hayop-Hayopan Caves, Vera Falls, Lake Danau, and Putsan Beach. Camarines Norte, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Rizal Momentum, Nuestra Señora de Cathedral Church, St. Peter and Apostle Church, Capalonga Shrine of the Black Nazarene, natural attraction. Calaguas Group of Island, Mercedes Group of Island, Bagabas Beach, Mampurog River, Colasi Waterfalls, and Cadiz Cave. Build attraction, Museo Bulawan and Pineapple Island Resort. Camarines Sur, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Naga Cathedral, Basilica Menore de Nuestra Señora de Peñafranca, Bambun Parish, and Museo Consular de Seminaria de Nueva Caceres. Natural attractions, Mount Isarog National Park, Kalupnitan Cave, Sabang Beach, Adyangao Cave, Caramoan Beach, Itbog Twin Falls, and Lake Bato. Build attraction, Camsur Water Sport Complex, and Haciendas Desnaga Adventure Park. Masbate, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. San Pascual Church, natural attraction, Porta Vega Beach, Catanduayagan Falls, Buruban-Casa Rock Formation, Underwater Cave, Buntod Reef Sanandar, and Bat-Ongan Cave. Build attraction, Balut Lighthouse. Sorsogon, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Punta Diamante, Guban's Old Houses, and Coral Church of Barcelona. Natural attraction, Lake Bulusan National Park and Mount Bulusan and Mount Bulog. Para sa accommodation naman, ang Albay ay may less than 100,500 per night. Ito ay Pinehurst Sites, Hotel Villa Angelina, Mayon Backpackers Hotel, Legazpi Airport Hotel, and Legazpi Tourist Inn. Para sa mid-range naman, 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Hotel St. Elise, La Piazza Hotel, Villa Amada Hotel, Tai Chi Boutique Hotel, The Apple Beach House, and Alicia Hotel, Casablanca Suites. High-end, at least 3,000 per night. The Oriental Hotel Legazpi, Hotel Vencia, and Nisibis Bay Hotels. Sa Camarines Norte naman, less than 1,500. Dollar Hotel, Lataniel Hotel, Bagas Bus, Lighthouse Hotel, Hebris Pet House, Villanilla Garden Resort. Para sa mid-range naman, Pineapple Island Resort, Casa Lililia, Palagos Gateway Hotel, and Hotel Formosa and Francisco Inn. Sur, less than 1,500. CBD Plaza Hotel, Naga Regent Hotel, Flamingo Hotel, and Star Mark Hotel. Para sa mid-range naman, Panicwason Hot Spring Resort, Carmen Hotel, Crown Hotel, Fishpoke Garden Hotel, and Dowmore Residences. Para sa high-end naman is Avenue Plaza Hotel, Villa Carcedes Hotel. Catanduanes, para sa less than 1,500, Puraran Surf Beach Resort, Marem Pension House, and Teresa's de Ponte Mansion. Para sa mid-range naman, Twin Rock Beach Resort, Archie Corporate Inn, Catanduanes Midtown Inn, and Amenia Beach Resort. Masbate, para sa less than 1,500 per night, Sampaguita Tourist Inn, Picao Island Resort, Franz Jorin Beach Resort, GB Hotel Masbate, Chona and Christophe Guest House. Para sa mid-range naman, Paraiso del Palani, Bituan Resort, and Altamar Beach Resort. Para sa food and delicacies naman, ang Albay ay merong sili ice cream, sinarapan, sinangat, pili nuts, ginubatang longganisa, and Bicol Express. Camarines Norte, sinantulan, pinunot, pinangat, pinuktok, laing, at minataang binubilo. Para sa Camarines Sur, merong kinalas, total siopaw, pandinaga, abu, Bicol Express, and sinangat. Para sa Catanduanes, meron silang dorado, sinalpungan, fried eel, simansalatik, and tinumok. Sa Masbate naman, merong rimas, putan, at situkil. Sa Sorsogon naman, merong ensiladang lato, kinunot na pagi, kinagang, pinangat, tinitin, and binutong, and higagdong. Para naman sa recommended pasalubong, meron silang pili nuts, pili candies and tarts, bottled laing, bottled Bicol Express, honey, shirts, bukad handcraft, and abaca products such as slippers, bag, and hats, and lastly, keychain and magnets. Festivals and special events. Sa Albay, Magayan Festival tuwing May, a showcase of cultural heritage, trade, and tourist attraction of Albay beyond the majestic Mayon. Ibalong Festival tuwing October, a festival depicting the stories and legends on the early beginning of the Bicol region. Tabak Festival tuwing June 16 to 20 in a celebration of the Tobacco City's foundation anniversary. Sarong Bagi Festival tuwing May 18 to 25, showcase of cultural and religious activities to pay tribute to its composer, Potenciano Gregorio. Kadagatan Festival, Black Saturday, a boat race, and the showcase of a colorful sails in the Albay Gulf. Pilgrimage to Joraan tuwing 3rd Saturday of August to pay homage to the miraculous image of Our Lady of Salvation, the patroness of Albay. Camarines Norte, Pabirik Festival tuwing February 1 to 2 depicts the gold mining industry in the province. Palong Festival tuwing May 10 to 13 to showcase gratitude on the abundant presence of rooster in the locality of Kapalonga. Mercedes Festival, August 6 to 11, a Thanksgiving festival of the fishers for bountiful fishing and endeavors. Camarines Sur, Feast of Our Lady of Peña Francia tuwing 3rd Sunday of September, a religious festival in honor of Our Lady of Peña Francia, the patroness of Bicol region. Caranawan Festival tuwing February 15, a celebration of promote the rich marine resources of Lake Bato. Partido Baybayon Festival tuwing April 26 to 28. Showcase of different tourist areas in the municipality of Sagnay. Buha-Buha and Alinsangan Festival tuwing May 1, a festival of fertility and thanksgiving. And lastly, Kaugma Festival tuwing May 21 to 27, in celebration of the founding anniversary of the province of Camarines Sur. Catanduanes, Katandungan Padjao Festival tuwing May 20 to 24, a showcase of the pride and dignity of each town through its costume and dance. Katandungan Festival tuwing October 22 to 24, a celebration of the founding anniversary of the province of Catanduanes. Masbate, Himag-Ulaw Festival tuwing February 17, and Thanksgiving Festival for bountiful harvest and good catch in fishing. Rodeo Masbateño tuwing April 6 to 8, a showcase of local cowboys in the Western style rodeo events. Dayaw Dalan Festival tuwing May 1 to 3, in honor of patron saints Santo Tiburgos. And lastly, Sorsogon, the Pastoress Festival tuwing December, an interpretative folk dance festival that reenacts the rejoicing of shepherds during the birth of Jesus. Butanding Festival tuwing April 28 to 30, Thanksgiving Festival for the blessings that Butanding give the people of the Donsol. Padarao Festival tuwing May 30, a showcase of colorful costume made from abaca fiber. Pili Festival tuwing June 20 to 29, a festival to showcase a pili as the primary indigenous craft of the Sorsogon. Kasanggayahan Festival tuwing October 15 to 25, a festival of prosperity of commemorate the Foundation Festival of Sorsogon. Major cultural groups naman ay the statement describe the cultural and economic landscape of the Bicol region in the Philippines. It highlights the dominant cultural group, the Bicolanos, and their language, Bicol Naga, which serves as the lingua franca. The economic relies on agriculture, particularly rice farming and cash crops like coconut and abaca. Fishing and forest industry also play significant roles. The region's religiosity and is emphasized with the devotion of Our Lady of Peña Franca, known affectionately as Ina, reflected in the presence of centuries-old churches. And sa major industry naman is the economy of the Bicol region in the Philippines is primarily driven by agriculture, with rice and corn being significant crops alongside specialist products like pili nuts, coconut, abaca, coffee, and jackfruit. Additionally, the region engaged in various industries such as commercial fishing, mining, and handcrafts and jewelry manufacturing. These diverse economic activities contribute to the region's overall prosperity and cultural richness. And lastly, language and dialects. Major dialects include Bicolanon, Masbateñon, Sorsogon, Rinconada, Bisacol, Tagalog, Cebuano, and Hiligaynon. Major language include Filipino and English.